Two giants, one battlefield. GPT 5.5 versus Claude Opus 4.7. Both claim smarter reasoning, deeper context, and real-world power.
But when it actually matters, who wins? Welcome back to NeuroWire Signal, where we break down the AI race without the hype, just real insights.
If you want to stay ahead of the biggest breakthroughs, like and subscribe to keep the signal strong.
Today, we're putting two of the most advanced AI systems head-to-head. Because GPT 5, Opus 4.7 aren't just upgrades. They represent two different futures of intelligence. The new era of thinking AI. We're no longer comparing simple chatbots. Both GPT 5 Claude Opus 4.7 are part of a new generation designed for structured reasoning. These systems don't just generate answers, they internally simulate problem-solving processes. They analyze, iterate, refine, and then respond. That shift from instant output to layered reasoning is what makes this comparison so important, because now we're not asking which AI talks better. We're asking which AI thinks better. GPT 5, precision, power, and execution. GPT 5 leans heavily into computational strength. Its architecture is optimized for breaking down complex problems into structured components. Whether it's advanced coding, mathematical reasoning, or multi-step analysis, GPT 5 tends to approach tasks with a clear, goal-driven strategy. It prioritizes efficiency. You'll often see it identify the core problem quickly, eliminate irrelevant paths, and move directly toward a solution. That makes it incredibly strong in technical environments where accuracy and speed matter. Another key advantage is consistency. Across long sessions and large contexts, GPT 5 maintains logical coherence. It handles dense information without losing track of objectives, which is critical for research, engineering, and enterprise workflows. It behaves like an execution engine. Claude Opus 4.7, depth, nuance, and reflection. Claude Opus 4.7, developed by Anthropic, takes a different approach. Instead of prioritizing speed and direct execution, it emphasizes reflective reasoning. The model often evaluates multiple perspectives, considers edge cases, and refines its responses with contextual awareness. This makes it exceptionally strong in areas that require nuance. Policy analysis, long-form writing, ethical reasoning, and complex discussions benefit from this approach. Claude tends to explore ideas rather than simply solve for them. It behaves like a thoughtful analyst. Speed versus thoughtfulness. One of the most noticeable differences is how each model feels in real use. GPT 5 is decisive. It moves quickly through problems and delivers clear answers. This makes it ideal for tasks where time and precision are critical. Claude Opus 4.7 is more deliberate. It takes a broader view, often expanding on context before arriving at a conclusion. This can feel slower, but it produces richer, more nuanced outputs. Neither is inherently better. It depends on what you need. Coding and technical work. In coding environments, GPT 5 generally has the edge. Its structured reasoning and optimization capabilities make it highly effective at generating, debugging, and refining code. It handles complex logic trees efficiently and produces solutions that are often closer to production-ready. Claude Opus 4.7 still performs well, especially in explaining code and reviewing architecture decisions. But when it comes to raw implementation speed and precision, GPT 5 tends to lead. For developers, that difference matters. Writing, creativity, and analysis. In creative and analytical writing, the balance shifts. Claude Opus 4.7 shines in maintaining tone, exploring ideas, and building layered arguments. Its reflective reasoning allows it to handle ambiguity and complexity with more depth. GPT 5 is still highly capable in writing, but it often prioritizes clarity and structure over exploration. That makes it excellent for reports, summaries, and instructional content. Claude feels more like a writer. GPT feels more like an editor. long context and memory handling. Both models support extended context windows, but they use them differently. GPT 5.5 focuses on structural coherence. It maintains logical flow across large datasets and complex documents, making it strong for technical analysis. Claude Opus 4.7 focuses on interpretation. It excels at extracting meaning, summarizing perspectives, and connecting ideas across long texts. This distinction becomes important in research-heavy workflows. Safety and alignment philosophy. Anthropic's Claude models are known for their strong emphasis on safety and alignment. Opus 4.7 continues this trend, often responding cautiously and ensuring outputs remain within ethical boundaries. GPT 5.5 balances safety with flexibility. It tends to attempt solutions more directly, which can make it more versatile across a wider range of tasks. The trade-off is subtle but important. Claude may be more conservative. GPT may be more aggressive in problem-solving. Real-world use cases. If you're building software, analyzing data, or solving technical problems, GPT 5.5 is likely the better fit. Its efficiency and precision give it an advantage. If you're writing, researching, or navigating complex human-centered topics, Claude Opus 4.7 may feel more natural. Its depth and nuance enhance understanding. The psychological experience. There's also a human factor. GPT 5.5 feels like a high-performance machine, fast, reliable, and focused on results. Claude Opus 4.7 feels more conversational and reflective, like interacting with someone who thinks through problems carefully. This difference shapes how people trust and use each system. And trust influences adoption. Who actually wins? The honest answer is neither wins universally. GPT 5.5 wins in execution. Claude Opus 4.7 wins in exploration. The winner depends entirely on the context of use. This isn't a knockout fight, it's a strategic matchup. The bigger trend. What this comparison really shows is how AI is evolving. We're moving towards specialized intelligence styles. Some models optimize for speed and precision. Others optimize for depth and context. Future systems may combine both. But for now, the diversity of approaches is driving rapid progress. GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7 represent two powerful visions of AI. One focuses on solving problems quickly and efficiently. The other focuses on understanding problems deeply and thoughtfully. Together, they push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do. And they signal a future where AI isn't just one thing. The AI race isn't about one winner, it's about who evolves faster. And right now, both sides are pushing limits like never before.
If you want more deep comparisons and real insights, like the video and subscribe to NeuroWire Signal.
Because the future of intelligence is just getting started.